This episode is going to be a bookkeeping basics lesson. This bookkeeping basics lesson is about retained earnings. Within QuickBooks Online, you don't need to do anything to make retained earnings happen or to update or to maintain it. Within QuickBooks Online, retained earnings is the cumulative of all the net income or net loss that your business has had from the inception in QuickBooks or from the start in QuickBooks all the way through last year. You're going to find retained earnings on the balance sheet at the very, very bottom in the equity section. The retained earnings, like I said, is just going to be the sum of all the net income or all the net losses for all the time that you've had data in QuickBooks. There's a caveat, of course. This may not be the sum if you have gone in there and made journal entries to change this number. I don't recommend doing that. I know that some people like to. I vote that you just don't. At the beginning of every year, QuickBooks is going to automatically take whatever the net income or the net loss was from the previous year, so the number on the bottom of the profit and loss report, it's going to move that number from the net income line on the balance sheet into retained earnings. This is why I say you don't need to do anything special. Retained earnings will automatically be calculated for you when you're using QuickBooks Online. Now that you understand how it's calculated, I just want to let you know that ideally your retained earnings will be a positive number. If it's a positive number, that means that the company, for all the time that the records have been in QuickBooks, has been profitable. If the retained earnings is a negative number, it means that the company, for all the time that it's been in QuickBooks, has not been profitable. I emphasize for all the time that it's been in QuickBooks because it's entirely possible that maybe you started the business 20 years ago and you started putting records into QuickBooks 5 years ago. Well, QuickBooks isn't going to know about the previous 15 years. I hope this has been helpful. I definitely put together videos like this and demonstrating this on my YouTube channel, but I think for some people that just need a quick explanation for stuff, having an audio file they can listen to while grocery shopping or running other errands, it might be beneficial. So my plan for this podcast is to have a blend of business tips and tricks, as well as a little bit of accounting basics. If there's anything you'd like to have me cover, please don't hesitate to let me know. You can reach me, Rachel@journalfrog.com. Thanks.